Nvidia may be a victim of a pump and dump. Their stock recently just went through a huge rally. But there might be something bad behind this growth. Is there some truth to these rumors? Is Nvidia and their investors in great danger? The government might even be involved in all this. But what am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. There might be price manipulation happening with Nvidia, and this rabbit hole goes deep. From the involvement of the government, down to how Nvidia's price moved lately, all these could be a recipe for a disaster coming. So, what really happened? Let's start with one of Nvidia's distribution partners. In a significant turn of events, the Department of Justice recently conducted a raid on Carahsoft's Washington, D.C. offices, and this has caused panic in the tech sphere. This action is part of an ongoing investigation linked to a business partner whose identity remains undisclosed. This raid comes just a month after the DOJ opened a probe into Nvidia, raising questions about the relationship between these companies. This is why some people have been speculating that Nvidia is involved in all of this. Carahsoft is a key player in the tech industry. They are known for strong partnerships with both Nvidia and other tech giants. Their collaboration with Nvidia is especially important. Carahsoft has been recognized as Nvidia's public sector distributor. This means they help bring Nvidia's cutting-edge technology to government organizations. And with these contracts, the government will also most likely be stricter towards these companies. They often feature in events, including webinars focused on AI solutions tailored for law enforcement. This role shows how integral Carahsoft is in connecting Nvidia's GPU and AI technology with the needs of public entities. The importance of Carahsoft doesn't stop there. Nvidia has awarded them the title of America's Distributor of the Year. This recognition highlights Carahsoft's strategic role in Nvidia's efforts to penetrate markets in the Americas, especially within government and educational sectors. It underscores the trust Nvidia places in Carahsoft to expand its influence and reach in these critical areas. And there is more to this. Carahsoft has played a vital role in facilitating sales through various contract vehicles. They have been instrumental in adding Nvidia to federal, state, and local contracts, as well as educational ones. This makes it easier for public sector organizations to adopt and procure Nvidia's technologies. The simplified procurement process can help government agencies quickly access the advanced technologies they need to operate efficiently. There are also joint initiatives between Carahsoft and Nvidia that show active collaboration. For example, they participate in multimedia campaigns for Nvidia's GPU Technology Conference. The relationship between Nvidia and Carahsoft goes beyond a simple distributor agreement. It indicates a strategic partnership aimed at enhancing Nvidia's presence in the public sector. However, with the recent DOJ investigation looming over Carahsoft, the dynamics of this partnership may face scrutiny. The outcome of this investigation could affect not just Carahsoft, but also Nvidia and their joint initiatives in the public sector. As we watch this situation unfold, the implications for both companies could be substantial. In fact, with Nvidia, their stock price might already be affected by a huge pump and dump, and it's happening right in front of our eyes. So how did this happen? Recently, Nvidia experienced a significant wave of trading activity, with a staggering $1.3 billion in dark pool orders hitting the tape after hours. This surge in dark pool trading indicates a large number of shares being traded outside of the public exchanges. It can often signal that institutional investors are making substantial moves without causing a noticeable impact on the market during regular trading hours. This is like a backdoor transaction. However, it isn't necessarily a sign of anything fishy going on, but it can look suspicious to most. And all this is just the beginning. In the last trading session, we witnessed a clear pattern. During normal trading hours, Nvidia's stock seemed to pump, attracting attention and driving up prices. However, once the market closed, a different scenario unfolded. After hours, the stock faced a dump in these dark pools. This pattern raises questions about the motives behind such trading behavior. The sharp contrast between the excitement during trading hours and the sudden downturn in after-hours trading can suggest that larger players were looking to offload shares quietly. This kind of trading can create uncertainty in the market, as it leaves other investors guessing about the underlying reasons for such drastic movements. One possible connection between these trading activities and the recent raid on Carahsoft's offices exists. Carahsoft is a known partner of Nvidia, and its recent scrutiny by the Department of Justice could create ripples in the stock market. investors may be worried about the implications of this investigation on Nvidia's operations and partnerships. The raid could signal potential issues that may affect Nvidia's business, leading some investors to act quickly in response. And here's how some investors might have reacted. When large orders hit dark pools, it often reflects a cautious approach by institutional investors. They may be trying to manage their exposure or hedge against potential risks. In this case, with Carahsoft facing scrutiny, investors might be worried that Nvidia could be affected as well. The correlation between these events creates an atmosphere of uncertainty and speculation. The implications of this trading behavior are significant. If investors believe that the relationship between Nvidia and Carahsoft could be jeopardized, it may lead to further selling pressure on Nvidia's stock. This could cause a ripple effect, influencing other investors to follow suit, leading to a larger drop in stock prices. As the investigation unfolds and more information comes to light, we may see further impacts on Nvidia's trading activity. The dark pool orders reflect a sense of caution among investors, who may be bracing for potential fallout from the raid on Carahsoft. Overall, the situation is fluid and could evolve quickly, making it crucial for investors to stay informed about both Nvidia's stock movements and developments regarding its partnerships. However, always keep in mind that there's still a chance that all these are just fear-mongering, and that Carahsoft's raid could have absolutely nothing to do with Nvidia. What's sure, however, is the fast progress of Nvidia and the development of their chips. On September 24, 2024, Morgan Stanley announced that Blackwell chips are expected to see 450,000 units produced in the fourth quarter. This production could lead to a revenue opportunity of over $10 billion for Nvidia. Just weeks earlier, on September 12th, CEO Jensen Huang confirmed that they were in full volume production of Blackwell. This news shows that Nvidia is on track with their chip development. But earlier this year, there were concerns when reports indicated that Nvidia's new AI chips would face delays due to design flaws. Many doubters speculated that these issues would significantly slow down the company's progress. However, Nvidia's ability to move swiftly past these challenges demonstrates resilience. They proved everyone wrong. The successful ramp-up to full production of Blackwell chips suggests that the company has overcome its earlier setbacks. Nvidia's recent achievements in chip production prove that they can meet their targets despite earlier predictions. This turnaround reinforces confidence in Nvidia's capabilities and may shift the perspective of skeptics who doubted their progress. The strong production forecast signals a promising future for Nvidia, both in revenue and innovation. As a matter of fact, Nvidia just added over $100 billion to its market cap after news broke that CEO Jensen Huang is done selling stock for now. This announcement sparked a wave of bullish sentiment among investors. The increase in market cap shows strong confidence in Nvidia's future. Huang's decision could reassure investors that he is focused on building the company's value rather than cashing out. The positive market reaction also reflects growing excitement around Nvidia's products and innovations. With significant revenue opportunities from upcoming chip productions, investors see potential for strong earnings ahead. This renewed confidence can lead to increased investments, which may help fuel further growth for Nvidia. Overall, Huang's announcement not only boosts investor sentiment but also positions Nvidia for a stronger future. It sends a message that the company is committed to its long-term goals, which can benefit both its stock price and overall market perception. So what do you think about this? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.